Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. Let us see what is coming up, guys. Let us see what is coming up, guys. So I'll be picking few cards for your daily energies, guys, and few cards for your love energies. These are for your daily energies. These are for your love energies. I'll be picking 3 cards here. So let us turn the cards here, guys. 6 of Pentacles, 3 of Swords in reverse, the Fool in reverse, 9 of Pentacles, Death in reverse. Leos, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, you are where you are regarding your in your work situation, maybe the things you do, the position you hold, everything is going as you had wished for you, guys. So whatever you had expected is coming into being. So your work energy is really good. Work situation, maybe even in your personal life, things are happening, falling into place. You feel that sense of achievement, accomplishment, success in certain things, and things are quickly falling into place. Whatever actions you are doing, the results are coming. So you are really happy, Leos. That is the energy here. And maybe for some of you all, you may get gifts from some persons. Maybe it may be from your family, your friends, or this person. They may be gifting you, coming to you. They may be paying a lot of attention to you. So they may be sending you gifts, flowers, showering you with love. So that may also be the energy here. They are showing their love to you, guys, in many ways, and you are feeling really happy to be in this relationship with this person. Maybe for some of you all, you may feel that this love is distracting you from your work, maybe what you need to do. They may be calling you often. They may be coming to see you, and this may be distracting you in your work or in your day, what you need to do. So you feel there are some kind of confusions and disorder, but you feel it is a happy disorder. You are really enjoying this day with this person. And maybe for some of you all, you are just taking your day off, going out with them, spending time with them, relaxing. That may also be the energy here, guys. So you are really happy how things are going today for you all, Leos. And there are changes happening in your life, some major changes, the way you deal with things in certain situations, with certain people, maybe from your family or some friends. You may feel that they are neglecting you in some way, and maybe you are also neglecting them, guys. So maybe they do not respect you, they do not listen to you, your counsel, whatever things you say to them, that may be the reason for this negligence. Or maybe for some of you all, this distraction because of this person, that may be the reason that you are neglecting certain work in your work situation. That may also be the energy here, guys, Leos. So this person is really showering their love on you guys, sending you gifts, talking to you over phone, texting you always, and they are showing how much they love you, and this is giving you a great happiness in your heart, and you are sharing that mutual love, intimacy and attraction with this person. And that is the reason that you're feeling really distracted today, and you just want to lie down, dream about this person and dream about this future. That is what you want to do. You do not want to work today. So that is the energy here with these cards, guys. So let us see what are these cards for your love energies. Four of Cups in reverse, Knight of Wands, Ace of Pentacles. So the energy with these cards is that, guys, maybe if you are single or if you are in a long distance relationship, this person is coming towards you, guys. If you are single, this person, new person, is coming towards you. They are coming with gifts, a proposal, expressing their love. Or if you are in this relationship with this person, they are surely coming with you, coming towards you with gifts. Maybe they are moving in with you, some kind of change in residence, or you are moving maybe for work, or just a change of residence maybe for some of you all, or you may be moving to a different city or a state for your work. That may also be the energy here, guys. And you are stepping into a new relationship if you are single. So you are feeling immensely happy for how things are going in your life, guys. That contentment is there, happiness is there. You are feeling ecstatic about this relationship, the way things are unfolding. Maybe this person, if you are in a long distance relationship, maybe this person is coming towards you. They are visiting you from somewhere far. So that may also be the energy here, guys. And maybe for some of you all, they may be moving to a different city. That is the reason that they are coming to you, showering gifts and love on you, because they are going on this trip somewhere abroad, maybe for a few days, or maybe it may be work related for a few months. Maybe they want you to join with them. That may also be the energy here, guys. So they may be there to just invite you with to the new place, to the new country, or whatever it is, guys. So that is the energy with these cards, Leos. So let us see what is their love message for you all today. What does this person feel about you? You and I have so much in common. So this person feels that you have a great understanding, guys, and in this relationship you share that compatibility, affection and intimacy and passion, guys. You share a great passion with this person. That attraction is there in your relationship. That is what they feel about you and about this relationship, guys. So definitely, Leos, your person is gifting you maybe, or they may be sending flowers, or maybe they are sending love messages just to show you how deeply they love you and how deeply they want to connect with you guys. So that is the reading for today, Leos. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please give a like and comment. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Leos.